What is going on? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It has been a little bit. Didn't really do much filming over the holidays. I was mainly focused on work and did a little bit of traveling, so it was nice seeing some family. This morning I took you guys on a little ride along that Walmart order. It was actually a good order. It was a lot of units, but you guys, mainly the units were like produce. I think she had like 30 limes. Anyways, that was a good start, and honestly, I didn't expect that out of Walmart. It's funny because I was in the Walmart circle for like 20 minutes charging, and then I was like, you know, I might go to like Sprouts or Ralph's, and as soon as I drove away, they notified me for that, so I was like, all right. But we are pulling into Costco. I'm looking for a little parking spot right here. And I picked up an 84 double. I forgot how far it's going. It's like, I think 16, 17 miles, something like that. It's nice it's a double because I've been getting a lot of triples lately. I feel like anytime I get a Costco order, it's a triple. But this is a solid start. This is a Saturday, so Costco dropped some batches around 9:30. Actually, it was like 9:25. I think I started seeing some batches. But like I said, this is an 84, super pumped. It's a double, 40 something items. I got some boxes in the back, so this should make it nice and easy. Might have to grab a couple more inside. But enough said, let's grab these boxes, head up, and get this batch going. Alright, we just dropped off customer B. Dude opened the garage for me. Super cool guy. It did drop like $2 or $3. It's alright, still stayed over 80. Very amazing order. I do have to charge a little bit because I didn't charge for very long this morning. One thing I forgot to mention is I have a promo today. $30 extra for I think 5 or 6 batches. I think it's 6 because I've already done 2, so I need 4 more. Honestly, probably gonna hit it with the holidays and everything. Took some time off, so probably gonna work a few more hours than I usually do. Wherever you guys are watching this video, whatever day it is, hope you guys are seeing good orders. Hope you guys are getting good orders and just at least being able to stay moving and not sitting. But anyways, super happy with the start for the day. Heading to get a quick charge in. I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next batch. Alright, you guys, I really didn't want to do a Costco batch, so I'm glad that I only had to wait about 10 minutes and this Sprouts order popped up. I was at Costco, so like 5 miles away. Decent range. It's mainly a single. This other lady wants like 4 waters and then like 3 other items, so let's get this going. right, we got that dropped off, you guys. And since we're on the Sprouts topic, just did a batch there. Bro, undercover truck just pulled this car over. Now I'm like scared to film. But yeah, they're 25 cents, those new bags that Sprouts has. I'm not sure if this is everywhere in California, but we do have it here in San Diego. So let me know what you guys think about those new bags. Should there be another option for bags? 25 cents is kind of steep. They are pretty strong though. I'm in go mode today, you guys. I just dropped off that order very close to Costco, so I'm gonna head over there and try to catch something good. We're moving good, you guys, over 200. Feeling confident about today, and it's not even 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna head to Costco, let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next batch. All right, we didn't have to wait long. Thankfully, picked up an 88 double, 24.7 miles or something like that. Majority of items are customer B. I want to say it's like 45 items, and customer A is just like 3 items. So we're basically shopping a single. $88 is very hard to turn down. I know the distance is far, but come on, 88 bucks. I think I can do this in about an hour and a half. So we're gonna get some parking, head inside, and get to work on this grip. All right, it is 5:30, and as you guys can see, it is pitch black outside. Not a big fan of how it does that in the wintertime. But good news, picked up a 51 double, 40 items, 5 miles, cakewalk order. It's one of those orders that one customer has like 3 or 4 items, and the other customer has the rest. So we're basically shopping a single, gonna head up, run through this. One more batch after this is gonna hit my promo, which is 30, so that's decent for the day, even though that does pull from adjustments. But solid order, gonna head in, grab a cart, and get this going. Been drizzling a little bit for the last 45 minutes. After that last order, dropped it off, put me at like 370 something. This 16 is like 10 items, $9 tip, going a mile. I don't take these, but like if you're in the parking lot, it doesn't make sense not to take it. It's like a $16 batch. It's gonna take me 16 minutes. So let's bang this out real quick. Last pickup of the night. All right, so as you guys saw, we just picked up dinner. The Stater Brothers order was my last one of the night. That order did put me just under $425 on the day. Super grateful for today. I'm very happy with the numbers. And I also want to thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. With that being said, if you guys have any questions or concerns, drop them in the comment box, you guys. Since we are independent contractors, talking to other people that do Instacart is basically having coworkers. And if you guys did enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. I will be posting more frequently in 2026. Also, at the end of this month, we are going to be moving again. We're not sure where to, but there are a few options in mind. I'm not going to say anything in the video because nothing is really set in stone. We still have some time to figure this out. But if you guys can, keep us in your prayers as we are looking for a new place. I don't like moving from different place to different place every single year, but the place we're at is just not one of those where we are going to extend our lease. So a lot of big things happening this month. I hope you guys are killing it. Keep that positive energy, stay focused on that end of the day number, and always keep adapting to Instacart because they're gonna keep changing stuff on us. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.